Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is to add unlike fraction. Anyway, this is a part 2 because there are times that it's hard for us to add a fraction which is the denominator is very high and unlike. So our methods that we're going to hear is to reduce first, then cross multiply. So we have to reduce first the fraction given. 3 over 9, we can reduce this by dividing by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Then 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And after reducing, our next step is cross multiply. 2 times 1 equals 2. Then plus 3 times 1 equals 3. Then horizontal, 3 times 2 equals 6. Horizontal multiplication. Then we're going to add 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then copy denominator. So this will be our final answer, 5 over 6. Okay, next, number 2. We have to observe that 27 and 9, we can reduce this by dividing 9, the numerator and the numerator and the denominator. So we're going to divide this by 9. Okay, 9 divided by 9 equals 1. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. Then plus, so 15 over 3 we can divide it by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. The next, cross multiply. 1 times 3 equals 3. Plus 1 times 5 equals 5. Then 1 times 1 equals 1. And 3 plus 5 equals 8. Divided by 1 equals 8. So this will be our final answer. Okay, number 3. 8 over 64 plus 21 over 7. So 8 to 64, we can reduce this first by dividing by 8. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 64 divided by 8 equals 8. Plus 21 and 7, we can divide it by 7. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Then cross multiply. 1 times 1 equals 1. Plus 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 1 equals 8. So we're going to add 1 plus 24 equals 25 over 8, or our answer is 3 and 1 over 8. Okay, number 4. 81 divided by 9 plus 36 over 12. So 81 and 9, we can reduce this by dividing both numerator and denominator by 9. Okay, 9 divided by 9 equals 1. 81 divided by 9 equals 9 plus 36 divided by 12. So we can reduce this by dividing by 12 also. Okay, 36 divided by 12 equals 3. And 12 divided by 12 equals 1. Then cross multiply. 9 times 1 equals 9. Plus 1 times 3 equals 3. Then 1 times 1 equals 1. Equals 9 plus 3 equals 12. Divided by 1, our answer is 12. Okay, number 5. 120 over 60 plus 24 over 80. So 120 and 60, we can divide it by 60. Okay, 60 divided by 60 equals 1. 120 divided by 60 equals 2. Plus 24 and 8, we can divide it by 8. Okay, 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. Then we have cross multiply. 2 times 1 equals 2. Plus 1 times 3 equals 3. Over 1 times 1 equals 1. And 2 plus 3 equals 5. Divided by 1 equals 5. So this will be our final answer. Hoping that you learned something from our topic today about addition of unlike fraction by using cross multiplication, reduce first diffraction, multiplication, and horizontal multiplication also. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.